Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
So, we've got something a little different planned for this episode.
We're switching things up today.
That's right. Instead of just the two of us talking the whole time, we've prepared something special for you.
Yeah, today we're walking you through 50 everyday English expressions.
The kind people actually use in real life, not textbook English.
Exactly. Phrases you'll hear at work, with friends, while ordering coffee, everywhere.
If you've ever thought, I understand English, but I don't sound natural yet, this episode is for you.
All right, get comfortable, maybe grab your headphones.
And let's get into it.
All right, I'm Noah.
And I'm Ava. Hi again, everyone.
As we said, today's episode is all about 50 everyday expressions that will help your English sound more natural.
These are phrases native speakers use without even thinking.
And don't worry, 50 sounds like a lot.
Yeah, but we've made it simple.
We've divided everything into 5 clear sections:
Social life and daily English,
work, study, and effort,
opinions and reactions,
useful expressions and connectors.
and finally, expressions for specific situations.
Super helpful for practice.
Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, let's start with social English, the stuff you use all the time.
Yeah, meeting people, making plans, casual conversations.
So imagine you meet an old friend,
You could say, I haven't seen you for a long time.
which is correct, but a bit textbook.
What people actually say is,
Long time no see.
yes, much more natural.
Short, friendly, done.
Now, asking how someone's doing?
The textbook version, how is your life going?
Yeah, nobody says that.
Try this instead. How's life treating you?
That sounds warm, relaxed, real.
Making plans. You want someone to contact you when they arrive.
Instead of, please contact me when you arrive,
Just say, hit me up when you get there.
much more chill.
Sending a message?
Instead of, I will send you a message,
Say, I'll drop you a line.
love that one.
Inviting someone to your place.
Not, do you want to come to my house?
Just say, do you want to come over?
Smooth and natural.
Talking about money.
When you don't have much.
Say, I'm a bit short on cash.
We've all been there.
Complimenting someone's smart.
Instead of, he is very intelligent,
Say, he's really sharp.
sounds much more natural.
Made a mistake?
I messed up, or I screwed up.
Very real, very human. Forgot what you were saying?
I lost my train of thought.
Happens all the time. Paying the bill?
Let's split it.
Or let's go Dutch.
And that's our first 10 expressions. Nice and easy. All right, let's move into work and study English. This is where life gets real.
Yeah, emails, deadlines, stress, all that fun stuff.
Instead of saying, I have a lot of work to do,
You can say, I'm snowed under.
love that one. It really feels heavy.
Busy right now?
Say, I'm tied up.
Super common. You'll hear this everywhere.
Need to finish something?
Let's wrap this up.
Perfect for meetings.
Want to join a project?
I want to get involved.
Sounds confident, not pushy.
Not just tired, deep tired.
I'm burnt out. Yeah, unfortunately, very real.
Encouraging someone? Hang in there.
Warm, supportive.
Decision made?
I made up my mind.
Changed your decision?
I had a change of heart.
Nice emotional expression.
Need time to decide? I'll sleep on it.
So natural.
Starting again?
We're starting from scratch.
Not fun, but useful. Okay, this block adds personality to your English.
Yeah, reactions make you sound human.
Totally agree with someone.
I couldn't agree more.
Strong, but polite. Accepting something?
Fair enough.
Love this one. Something really annoys you.
It drives me up the wall.
Yeah, very expressive. Feeling nervous?
I've got butterflies in my stomach.
Everyone understands that feeling. Really impressed?
I'm blown away.
Disappointed.
That's a bummer.
Casual, very natural. Don't care at all.
I couldn't care less.
Something easy.
It's a piece of cake.
Now I want cake. Something very expensive.
It costs an arm and a leg.
something unclear.
Can you clear that up?
Perfect for work or class. These are expressions native speakers use constantly.
Yeah, glue words for conversation.
No plan yet? Let's play it by ear.
Super common.
Joking with someone?
I'm just pulling your leg.
Yeah, love this one. Sounds familiar?
It rings a bell.
Annoying person? A pain in the neck.
We all know one.
Feeling pressured.
Get off my back.
Warning someone?
Watch out.
Wanting someone to hurry.
Get a move on.
Trying something new.
Give it a shot.
Small problem?
It's no biggie.
How's it going so far?
So far, so good.
Nice and positive.
All right, final block. Almost there.
You're doing great. Hang in there. Did something difficult successfully?
I pulled it off.
Same problem as someone else? We're in the same boat. Leaving quickly? I got a dash. Missed information? Fill me in. Not feeling well?
I'm under the weather.
Going to sleep? I'm turning in. No time? I'm pressed for time. Something unexpected. It came out of nowhere. Watching someone closely. I've got my eye on you.
Time to leave.
It's time to hit the road. And that's all 50 expressions. Wow.
Yeah, don't try to use all of them today.
Pick a few, practice them, repeat them out loud.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
That's how real English happens.
Thanks so much for listening to Speak English with Ease.
If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.